Good morning. Got my sunglasses on today. Wanted some fresh air in the helmet because it's officially a heat wave. Apparently it starts tomorrow. So it's hot. Oh, this is nice. It's cool, eh? Yes, you notice I have the old sat nav. Let's face it, I need as much help as I can get. I always get lost, which is half the fun of it, but it helps when you want to try and get back on track, so to speak. See? So anyway, where am I going today? Oh, well, I hear you say. Well, I'm not going fishing. I'm not going to any museums. They're probably shut and full of people, all with COVID. So I'm avoiding all that malarkey. Bob's at home looking after the dog. And I'm off to the beach. Yep. I'm going to go and check out Deal. I've been there before. It was beautiful. I'm going there now because the sun is shining. I want to see the sea and I fancy a ride. So I shall speak to you in a bit. I'm not sure about these glasses. I like it with the visor down. Bugs. Don't like getting bugged. So I've given up with the glasses. So yes, going back to the glasses front. Whee! I took them off because although they're good and everything, I've got a good visor, a good peak on the helmet, so it keeps the sun off my eyes, and it stops having the visor down just stops being hit by bugs, and I hate bugs. They were bugging me out. Oh dear. Anyhow, so that's that. Just thought I'd tell you, really. And I've got an itch. There we go, bit of an itch, probably a thunderfly or something. So while I'm just travelling down this lane, I'm going to tell you I've got rid of my little remote thing. I stopped using it. It just keeps playing up, you know. It connects and then the camera gets a bit hot and then it all freezes and then I have to take it all apart and pull the battery out, so it's like on the actual camera. So I'm fed up with it. I've done away with it and I've gone back to using voice activation. So you might hear me say some words which start and stop the GoPro, which actually is working really, really well. So from now on I should be saying things like, GoPro, stop recording. Oh, it's just lovely. Look at the sunshine in the blue sky. I'm on the road to Deal now. Seen a couple of other bikers out, some other Triumphs, which was nice, and Bonnevilles, and yeah, might stop for a coffee in Deal. It's a bit hot for coffee. Might have something, I don't know what, I don't know. Maybe an ice cream. That's a big bump. But anyway, I just like the sound of my own voice. No, it's not that. I like messing about with this voice activation thing. It's far better than using that jobby, the push button thingy. Not very impressed with that. But there you go. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, this is just lovely. Sholden. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, we're now welcome to Deal. I do like Deal. ooh, I'm excited about seeing the sea. Isn't that weird? You know, I suppose people that live by the sea all their life wouldn't get excited about it. It's just that I haven't. So when I see the sea, it's like, ooh, look at that story. There we are. There's people swimming and stuff. But that is the seafront. And it's nice to see the sea. Fires us up. Now I was going to pull up somewhere down here. I'll probably turn lefty. Yeah. To Kingsdown. We were thinking about getting a motorhome and renting the house out, so we've been getting the house ready, doing it up and bits and pieces with a view to renting it out possibly, and going away, even if we didn't go. Love that castle. Even if we didn't go, it'd still be good stuff we've done to the house. So anyway, it's getting to the point where, wow, we've done a fair bit to the house, made it all nice, made it all doable, livable, rentable, and we're getting to the point where we're thinking, yeah, well, let's do it. I mean, I know there was a boom with the old motorhoming, and that's calmed down, but COVID's still around, and there's plenty to see in Britain that we haven't seen yet, and there's some advantages in going down and seeing my dad and looking after him a little bit. So yeah, we've been seriously thinking about doing it, and then I couldn't leave my baby behind, obviously not, so we'd get a little trailer, a little box trailer, and tow it behind, get the bike in there. We'd do whatever we want to do, go wherever we want to go. It's an idea, we're seriously thinking about it now. If we go, it'll probably be, well, it could be as early as the autumn, or it could be in the spring. I don't know yet. I'd like to go this year in the autumn, because I'd like to have a bit of winter time down at my dad's. It's not the best time to do motorhoming in the winter, but we'd probably just use it as a bit of a base to pop around between Kent and Devon and Cornwall, and then maybe a couple of holidays in the winter to Gambia. This is what I wanted to do, stop here, nice and peaceful. So that's the idea, that's the thought. And I'm liking it. I'm seriously liking the idea of it. Shall I go to the end? Is it worth it? I'm not sure it is. Let's give the bike a bit of a cool down. I like this bit. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, I came here last year and did a little picture of the bike. God, it's beautiful, isn't it? With a backdrop of the sea, you see. And absolute beauty of a bike, I swear to God. So anyway, motorhome idea, what do you think? A yes or a no? Definitely taking the bike. I think we should just do it, you know. Just go. Rent out the house and have a little bit of an income. And then do England, Scotland, Wales, Ireland. Maybe even a little bit of Portugal or Spain, southern Spain in the winter. Don't know. Anyway. Bit of a moment and time to reflect. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, I'm just gonna show you this. I'm not sure the GoPro will pick it up. I hope it will. I'll try and zoom on it later. But that over there, if you see past the ships, there's one there, there's one over there, is France, because we're not too far from Dover, and so you can see France from here today. That's how clear it is today. Kind of cool, eh? If you like France, that is. I haven't got anything against France, not at all. Just Russia. Getting a bit of air through the jacket. Hope you enjoyed that one, Dad. And no, I didn't go paddling in the sea.